last but not least, as you guys can read by the title, we're gonna do my Rolex unboxing, a nice little luxury unboxing. You know, we have to end off with the luxury items. So let's get into her. Y'all ready? Hey guys, it is your girl Bria Van Kooten. 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 Bria Van Kooten, and welcome back to my channel, y'all. Hello everybody, it's your girl Bria Van Kooten, and I am back with another video. As you guys can read by the title, we are here for my what I got for my birthday haul. It's very mini, just a couple things, but I didn't want to throw it into the vlog, into my birthday vlog, so I was like, let's make a separate video and let's talk about the items. Speaking of my birthday vlog, if you did not check it out, I just posted it, so definitely get into it. I went to my birthplace where I spent my first almost 4 years of life, Guyana, and I went for a family reunion, but I happened to be there on my 32nd birthday, so definitely check out the vlog. I will link it up here in the cards. It was a great trip, so definitely check it out. And now let's get into this birthday haul. First things first, I want to get into something that I got before I went on my trip. I ordered this during the Amazon Prime sale, and I have been wanting, it's a book, I've been wanting this book for a while, and I just didn't bite the bullet. And for me, I wanted to finish the previous book that I was reading first before I got into a new book, before I bought a new book and got into a new book. But during the Prime sale, the book happened to be on sale, and I got it for like $3.42. And the book that I'm talking about is Law Roach's How to Build a Fashion Icon, Notes on Confidence from the World's Only Image Architect. And so far, I think I've read a couple, I can't remember how much, but a couple pages I've read. I read it on my trip, and I started reading it on my trip, and so far it's pretty good. I can't wait to read some more and get into it some more. I love the gray background with the yellow. I love the poppy yellow, so good. And I love Law, like he's such an inspiration. If you don't know, I am a wardrobe stylist based here in New York City, and he's such an inspo for styling my career, and that's why I was like, I have to get into this book, because why not read his input and what he feels and how to navigate this industry and, you know, growing your business, building your confidence, all of the above. So yeah, and watch Project Runway. He's killing it on Project Runway. This is my first item that I got. The next couple items I bought in Guyana. It was, one of them is a gift, and then the other items I bought personally. So first, let's get into the gift, because I freaking love these. So one of the nights, actually my birthday morning, it was like 1 a.m. going into my birthday, and I went out to a club in Guyana to bring in my birthday, and I told my aunt, she had on these slippers earlier that day when we went ATVing, and I was like, ooh, auntie, your slippers you had on earlier, where did you get them? She's like, oh, I'll get you a pair for your birthday. She told my uncle, we're gonna get Bria a pair for her birthday. I didn't think I was gonna get it that, like a couple hours later. Literally woke up, they surprised me with a party. That's when you gotta check out my vlog. Check out my vlog. They surprised me with a party, and then she was like, here's the slippers. Like, she really gagged me. A couple hours later, and I had the slippers, and these are they. Look at them! The burgundy is so fire. Like, they're so fire. I've been wanting a slipper like this for a long time. If you know any Caribbean people, all of the above, you know, they have a slipper like this, and I've been wanting one for so long. She did buy it in Guyana. There's different markets and vendors and people selling stuff in Guyana on the streets, and so yeah, she got it, and they're so good. Like, I've worn it twice. I wore it this morning. I went for a walk, and then I wore them on Sunday to church with my linen pants, and I love that you can dress it up, dress it down, and they're so good. I have an outfit this weekend that I'm gonna wear with. I can't wait. They're so good. They're so good. So shout out to my auntie and my uncle. Shout out to them. They got these for me, so love them. And then the next item, like I said, the rest of the items I bought myself. I got also in Guyana. I went to this area like in the jungle, and there were people selling stuff in like a gift shop, and like you see those slippers, Guyanese and Caribbean people in general are so talented because they really like handmade stuff, and those are like handmade shoes. And then I saw this bag. I've been wanting a bag like this woven type of bag, raffia, for a long time, but you know, I'm gonna support my Guyanese people, and I bought it. And this was better than all the ones I've seen on the market, no shade. And like I said, support my Guyanese people, handmade, so good. Like the cream and then the sliver of yellow, I was in love. I love that I could fit a lot in it. It's so cute, and I can smell like the material. That's how I know it was freshly made. I could still smell the material, like so good. It was $30 US, which I feel like is a great price, and I'm so happy to have it. I wore it once when I was in Guyana when I went ATVing. I just slung it around me to go, but I can't wait to wear it and style it some more. And the next item, also on that same trip that I got the bag, I bought a little shot glass that it looks like a beer mug, but it's a shot glass. I love the beer mug shape, and it just has like Guyana on it and the Guyana flag. Anytime I travel, one thing about me, if you don't know, I buy a shot glass from wherever I go. Yeah, next thing, oh, this was also a gift. My uncle, like I said, I went for a family reunion. So at the end of the trip, my uncle gave all of us these keychains. It's different keychains with different Guyana things on it. So this one I got, which I love, it happens to be Kite Shore Falls, which is, if you don't know, Guyana has the largest one-drop waterfall in the world. Fun fact, if you did not know that, now you know. But this is the keychain that I got. I still need to put it on my key, but it is super cute. And yes, it is a bottle opener. And then on the back it says, like, it's engraved, and it has like the corkscrew inside. So yeah, I gotta put this on my key. Now that I'm doing my haul, I'm gonna put it on my key. The next thing, I bought it in duty free when I was coming back to New York, and it is this Guyanese rum. It is El Dorado, aged 12 years. I literally, my uncle was drinking this all week, and I drank some of it with him. Even when we went to the club, we drank it. And I was like, when I have to get a bottle before I go back to Guyana. And we went through duty free. They had it in the duty free section, and I got me a bottle. It is so good. It is 40%, right? Yep, 40% alcohol, y'all. Because like I said, watch my vlog. Watch the vlog. I'm telling you, watch the vlog. But this is the bottle, a nice large bottle, and it is so good, so smooth, and it tastes amazing with a Coke. You guys know, like, I love a nice little rum and Coke. If you don't know, I love a nice little rum and Coke, and it will be really good with like a orange pineapple with the rum. Like anything that you put rum in, you try that. It's really good. It is, like I said, it is a Guyanese rum. So yeah, last but not least, as you guys can read by the title, we're gonna do my Rolex unboxing, a nice little luxury unboxing. You know, we have to end off with the luxury item. So let's get into her. Y'all ready? Ah, my Rolex! Yes, y'all, my Rolex. I got me a nice little Rolex bag from a brand called Grocery Bag, based in Canada, and she's so good. I ordered this before I went on my trip. It came when I was on my trip, so after I got back, I literally ran here to get it to make sure that USPS put it in my mailbox and didn't leave it in front of my door. It says mailbox, but sometimes they say mailbox and they leave it in front of your door. So I wanted to make sure that it was actually my mailbox. They definitely did. Shout out to that person who delivered it with care, okay? But yes, the Rolex tote bag. As you guys can see, it has straps that you hold like this. It is an actual bag. You could put stuff in it, but you can also use these straps right here and make it into a crossbody, and you can clip it like so. Like, it's so many ways you can wear it. I'm definitely gonna put some pictures on the side so you guys can see. And then in the back it says groceries cost as much as this watch. And then it has the grocery bag logo on the strap. All of their bags has this on it. But yeah, she's so cute. I've been wanting her for a while. They had a discount, a promotion before I went on my trip, and I was like, let me snag her because I don't know when they're gonna have this promotion again. So I got her. This is my second grocery bag tote. My first one I got a couple months ago. It was the Birkin tote. I love that tote bag. I wore it so much on my trip. It fits so much in it. This one definitely fits less, but it is still a great bag. And this one I'll definitely style, like use it for like style wise, especially fashion week is coming up, so I'm definitely gonna be styling her for a cute fashion week look. The Birkin one definitely is more of like, you just go and throw things in, grocery shop and all of that. But yeah, she's so good. She's so good. So happy to have her in my possession. And this bag was only $22, y'all. $22, very cute. And yeah, y'all, that is what I got for my birthday. I can't believe it's another one, another year. But yeah, I'm very excited, very optimistic, and ready for this new year. I always say this, my birthday is really my new year, not January 1st. That's really my new year because I'm going into a new age. So yeah, y'all, comment down below, let me know what you think. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, follow me on my social medias at Bria Van Kooten, my Instagram, my Twitter, TikTok. Like I said, go check out my previous videos. Definitely subscribe to my other two channels. It will be linked down below. And like I said, I am a New York City based wardrobe stylist. If you want to hire a wardrobe stylist, fly me out, hire me. And yeah, my website and all that is down below. Check it out. My portfolio style work is down below as well. Check it out. But yes, y'all, I will see you guys in the next one. If you guys don't know, my YouTube schedule, every Wednesdays, these kind of videos, styling, fashion. Sundays, my weekly vlogs, and occasionally throughout the week, you'll see some shorts from me. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, love, deuces.